If your PC feels slow, games are stuttering, or Windows takes forever to load, in many cases, it's low disk space, bloatware, and cluttered storage. So in this video, I'll show you how to free up disk space and optimize your PC for better performance. First, we're going to use Windows Storage Cleanup. Press the Windows key, type Storage Settings, and open it. Go into Temporary Files. Select things like Temporary Files, Recycle Bin, Downloads if you don't need them, and Junk Data. Then click Remove Files. This is the fastest way to recover space instantly. Next, we're going to remove unnecessary Windows features. Press Windows and R, type optionalfeatures.exe, and hit Enter. Here you'll see built-in Windows components. Disable anything you don't use, such as Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and Internet Explorer mode. Then click OK. These features can install extra services and background components even if you never use them. Now we're going to disable Hibernation. Press the Windows key, type Command Prompt. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Now type powercfg-h off, then press Enter. This instantly deletes the Hibernation file, which can take several gigabytes depending on your RAM size. Next, let's clear old NVIDIA cache files. Press Windows and R, then type %localappdata%. Open the NVIDIA folder. Delete old cache folders like dxcache and glcache if available. These shader cache files rebuild over time and can grow unnecessarily large. Removing old cache can free space and sometimes reduce shader-related stutters after updates. Now, if your C drive is still full or Windows still feels slow,
this is where Ease Us Partition Master becomes really useful. If you have two partitions like C drive and D drive and want one larger drive instead, select the Merge option. Choose C drive, then choose the other partition you want to combine. Click OK, then Apply. The software will safely merge them into one larger partition. This is useful if one drive is almost full while the other has unused space.
Or you can also move the D drive free space to C drive if it is full. For that, right-click on your D drive and choose Resize or Move. Use the slider and drag it inward to reduce the size of D drive and create unallocated space. Then select C drive. Drag the slider outward so it takes all of the new unallocated space. Click OK, then press Apply or Execute to start the task. Your system may restart during the process, which is normal. Once completed, your C drive will have more space available for Windows, games, and updates. And you can download this tool using the link in the video description.
Next, we're going to optimize drives. Press the Windows key, type Defragment and Optimize Drives, and open it. Select your drive and click Optimize. If you use an SSD, Windows will trim it. If you use an HDD, it will defragment it. This helps your storage respond faster and keeps file access smoother. It's like organizing files neatly instead of leaving everything scattered. Now we're going to remove pre-installed apps. Open Settings, then go to Apps and Installed Apps. Look through the list and uninstall anything you don't use. Examples can include Xbox apps, trial software, OEM tools, and random apps that came with Windows or your PC. These apps take storage space and sometimes run background services. And finally, disable startup apps. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab. Disable unnecessary apps that launch with Windows. Things like launchers, update tools, chat apps, and software you don't need immediately. This gives you faster boot times and fewer background processes. And yeah, these simple steps can free a surprising amount of space, less junk, less bloatware, more performance. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more optimization guides like this.